Hello students, today I am starting chapter 2 exponent. In this chapter you will learn law of exponent and questions related to the law of exponents. So let's start. Before starting exponent, it is very necessary for you to know what is the exponential form and what is a product form. You will see that if a की power 5 is written, so this is a exponent and this is a base. This is known as exponential form. When a की power 5 is written as, so if we expand it, you will see that a into a into a into a into a is written 5 times because power is 5. This is known as product form. This is known as product. Now I go to the laws of exponent. You will see that if x power m into x power n इक्वल टू x पावर m प्लस n, यहाँ x का मतलब ये है कि जब बेस सेम होंगे तो जो पावर होंगी, तो इन केस ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन वी ऐड देम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ 5 पावर 3 इज इंटू 5 पावर 2 इज गिवन, देन it will be 5 power 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 power 5. Second law is x power m divided by x power n, where m is greater than n. Then x power m into divided by x power n is equal to x power m minus n. यानी कहने का मतलब जब बेस सेम होगा तो इन केस ऑफ डिवीजन एक्स पावर जो है वो सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ 3 पावर 9 इज गिवन divided by 3 power 2, then 3 power 9 minus 2 is equal to 3 power 7. Third law is if x power minus m, then 1 upon x power m. यानी यदि पावर आपके निगेटिव दिया है तो उसको पॉजिटिव करने के लिए हमको जो बेस है उसका रेसिप्रोकल करना पड़ेगा. x अपान 1 है तो इसका 1 अपान x हो जाएगा. यदि मान लो 5 की पावर माइनस 3 गिवन है तो उसका हो जाएगा 1 अपान 5 की पावर 3. उसी तरह से यदि फ्रैक्शन में ही दिया है p अपान क्यू की पावर माइनस m दिया है तो इसका हम q अपान p की पावर m कर देंगे. ऐसा हम तब करते हैं जब हमको माइनस साइन को पॉजिटिव करना है, यानी पावर जो दिया है निगेटिव पावर उसको हमको प्लस करना है तो हमको बेस को रेसिप्रोकल करना पड़ेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ 3 अपान 5 इज की पावर माइनस 2 इज गिवन, देन इट बिकम्स 5 अपान 3 की पावर 2. फिफ्थ लॉ इज x पावर m इंटू y पावर m इज इक्वल टू x y पावर m. इफ पावर्स आर सेम देन हम उनका कॉमन पावर ले सकते हैं और उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ 2 की पावर 5 इंटू 3 की पावर 5 इज गिवन, देन 2 इंटू 3 की पावर 5 विल बी. सिक्स्थ लॉ इज if x पावर m ब्रैकेट n, then x पावर m इंटू n. यदि ये ब्रैकेट में इस तरह पावर रहेगा तो हम इन दोनों को इंटू कर देंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ 3 की पावर 2 ब्रैकेट पावर 4, देन 3 की पावर 2 इंटू 4 इज इक्वल टू 3 की पावर 8. सेवंथ रूल इज इफ माइनस 1 की पावर इवन टाइम्स है. इवन टाइम्स का मतलब यदि 2 है, 4 है, 6 है, 8 है, 10 है, तो उसका रिजल्ट जो है पॉजिटिव आएगा. जैसे माइनस 1 की पावर 4 इज इक्वल टू 1. 1 का इंटू कितनी बार करो तो आंसर 1 ही रहता है, लेकिन यदि इवन टाइम्स रहेगा तो प्लस में रहेगा आंसर, यदि ऑड टाइम्स रहेगा तो माइनस में आंसर रहेगा. जैसे माइनस 1 की पावर ऑड टाइम्स, इट मीन्स रिजल्ट विल बी निगेटिव. इफ x पावर 0, देन आंसर विल बी 1. कोई भी नंबर हो, जैसे 5 की पावर 0 कर दिए तो उसका आंसर 1 हो जाएगा. नाउ एक्सरसाइज 2.1. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सिंप्लीफाई द फॉलोइंग. a is given minus 5 power 3, so we write minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. This is a product form of this. As you know that if negative is odd times, then result will be negative. Since 1 2 3 power is 3, that's why result will be negative. So minus 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to minus 125. B is given minus 4 power 5. Similarly, minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, 1 2 3 4 into minus 4, 5 times I have written. Since power is odd, that's why result will be odd, negative. So minus 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 4 4 just 16, 4 just 64 into 4 4 just 16, 16 4 just 64, carry 4, carry 6, 16 6 just 96, 96 or 6 102. So answer will be minus 1024. C is given minus 2 power 6. Since power is even, this means result will be positive. So plus 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 into 2 is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 32, 2 ja 64. So answer will be plus 64. D is given minus 3 power 6. As I taught in this question, since power is even, so result will be plus. It means positive. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27, 3 ja 81, 81 3 ja 243, 243 3 ja 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, carry 1, 3 2 ja 6 1 7, 729. In question number 2, write the following in the form of exponent. पिछले क्वेश्चन में आपने उसको एक्सपेंड किया था, इसको फॉर्म ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट लिखना है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन 5 पावर 4 इंटू माइनस 5 पावर 2. You will see that the base of first number is 5 and the base of second number is minus 5. Both are not same. So at first we have to make them same to apply law of exponent. So we can write it as 5 power 4 into 5 power 2 into minus 1 power 2. इसका हम माइनस ए 1 को दे दिए हैं और जितनी पावर इसमें थी उतनी पावर इसमें लगा दिए हैं. अब हम यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं कि 5 पावर 4 एंड 5 पावर 2 bases are same, so we can apply the rule of exponent. Since x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n, therefore 5 power 4 into 5 power 2 into minus 1 power 2 is equal to 5 power 4 plus 2 into 1, because minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So it become 5 power 6. This will be answer, because the question is we have to write in the form of exponents. So it completed. Second question is 15 into minus 15 power 25. Similarly we have to make same base. So 15 into 15 power 25 into minus 1 power 25. Now we apply the law of exponent. X power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n. So 15 into 15 power 25 into minus 1 is equal to 15 power 1 plus 25 into minus 1. So 15 power 26 into minus 1. This so that minus 15 की power 26. C is given 12 power 5 divided by minus 12 power 3. So again bases are different, so 12 power 5 divided by 12 power 3 into minus 1 power 3. Since x power m divided by x power n is equal to x power m minus n, therefore 12 power 5 divided by 12 power 3 into minus 1 power 3 is equal to 12 power 5 minus 3 into minus 1. So we have 12 power 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 12 power 2. Question D is given minus p power 14 divided by minus p power 7. You will see that the bases are same. So since x power m divided by x power n is equal to x power m minus n, therefore minus p power 14 divided by minus p power 7 is equal to minus p power 14 minus 7 is equal to minus p power 7. This will be answer. Question number 3 is verify the given statements by solving both the sides. First question is given minus 2 power 4 into minus 2 power 2 is equal to minus 2 power 8 divided by minus 2 power 2. This is a LHS and this is a RHS. So at first we take LHS. LHS is equal to minus 2 power 4 into minus 2 power 2. Since x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n, therefore minus 2 power 4 into minus 2 power 2 is equal to minus 2 power 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2 power 6. RHS is given minus 2 power 8 divided by minus 2 power 2. Since x power m divided by x power n is equal to x power m minus n, therefore minus 2 power 8 divided by minus 2 power 2 is equal to minus 2 power 8 minus 2 is equal to minus 2 power 6. You will see that in LHS we get minus 2 power 6 and in RHS we also get minus 2 power 6. This so that since LHS equal to RHS, therefore the given statement is true. B is given minus 3 power 2 into minus 3 power minus 6 is equal to 1 upon 3 power 2 bracket 2. So LHS is equal to minus 3 power 2 into minus 3 power minus 6. You will see that bases are same. So since
x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n. Therefore, minus 3 power 2 into minus 3 power minus 6 is equal to minus 3 power 2 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 3 power 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 3 power minus 4. This so that 1 upon minus 1 upon 3 power 4. Now RHS is 1 upon 3 power 2 into 2. So we get 1 upon 3 power 2 into 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 power 4, since x power m and n is equal to x power m n. So you will see that in LHS we get minus 1 upon 3 power 2, 3 power 4, and in RHS we get 1 upon 3 power 4. One is a negative and another is a positive. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence statement is not true. Question C is minus 7 power 32 into minus 7 power 32. Equal to 1. So LHS is equal to minus 7 power 32 divided by minus 7 power 32. Since x power m divided by x power n is equal to x power m minus n, therefore minus 7 power 32 divided by minus 7 power 32 is equal to minus 7 power 32 minus 32 is equal to minus 7 power 0. Since x power 0 is equal to 1, therefore minus 7 power 0 is equal to 1. You will see that LHS is 1 and RHS is also 1. This so that LHS equal to RHS. So the given statement is true.